Okay, next up guys, I want to go in with your beef. Hello everyone, I am ChefRogervlog and I'm back with another video. Today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I make my beef shepherd pie. Okay guys, this is all my ingredients. I have 2 pounds of ground beef. Here I have some cheddar cheese. Here I have some onion, garlic and some seasoned pepper nicely cut up. Over here I have some ketchup. Here I have some all-purpose paprika and black pepper. Here I have some butter. And right here I have some green season and my evaporated milk. Okay guys, and okay guys, here I have my potato. It's time to mash up potato. Add the butter. I'll go in with the milk now guys. So I want to do a little pinch of salt guys. A pinch of black pepper. I want to give this a proper stir. Make sure everything nice and soft. Right now our potato already guys, just gonna put this aside and now we're gonna work on our ground beef. Okay guys, we're going with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next up, what I want to do guys, going with your onion, the fermento. Going with the garlic now. Next up, you want to add in your ground beef. Okay guys, to go in with not all of this green season, I'm just going to use some. We're going to use some paprika, all purpose, and some black pepper. Just want to gently combine this together guys. You don't want to overcook the beef. Alright, next up, I'm going to go in with the ketchup. Just want to get this beef nice and juicy guys. Okay, next up guys, you want to go in with your beef. So want to gently spread the beef now guys. Guys, you're gonna bake this for 35 to 40 minutes on 350 degrees. This is a technical part now guys. So I'm gonna take your time and spread this now guys. Wow. Okay, guys. To cover this cheese now guys. Pop it in the oven. Leave it for 35 to 40 minutes. Here you have it everyone, our beef shepherd pie. Wow, isn't it beautiful guys? Guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you all for watching and see you all in my next video.